Hi students, good morning everyone. Coming to today topic, that is plant tissues. That is the main topic, plant tissues. In that subtopic name is vascular tissues. This is the fourth kind of plant tissues. Fourth one. What is vascular tissue? See, the tissue which contain vessels through which fluids are passed. Means vascular tissues contains vessels to pass the fluids and materials one place to another place within the plant body. Okay, that is vascular tissue. Simply, vascular tissue contains vessels which helps in passing of materials. See, vascular tissue contains mainly there are two kinds of tissues are present. One is xylem tissue, second one is phloem tissue. Xylem tissue, phloem tissue. These two tissues together called as complex tissues. Complex tissues means the tissue which contains complex structure, means it contains many cells. That is called complex structure. Coming to xylem tissues. Xylem tissues, it conducts water and minerals and salts from one place to another place, from roots to remaining parts of the plant. That is the main functioning of xylem tissue. It is one type of vascular tissue which helps in transportation of water, minerals and salts from roots to remaining parts of the plant. Okay. Second one, it can move only in one direction. One direction means here water moves from roots to remaining parts of the plant, from roots to remaining parts of the plants. It can move only one direction. That is called unidirection. Xylem tissues contains four cells. Those are xylem tracheids, xylem vessels, xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers. These are the four kinds of cells present inside the xylem tissue. Xylem tracheids are tubes which contains tubes. It helps in transportation of water and minerals. Once observe here, this is a xylem tracheid. Inside that pits are present. It looks like a tube-like structure which helps in transportation of water and minerals and salts. Coming to second one, xylem vessel. This is the vessel. Vessel means again tube-like structure only. It's multi-cellular structure. This is a xylem vessel. Third one, xylem parenchyma. Xylem parenchyma means which stores food material. It is only living cell. It is only living. This is important. Xylem parenchyma only living. Okay. Xylem fibers. Xylem fibers gives support to the plants. Xylem fibers gives a mechanical support to the plants. This is about the xylem tissues. What are the four kinds of cells? Xylem tracheids, xylem vessels, xylem parenchyma, xylem fibers. Among these all cells, xylem parenchyma only contains living cells. Remaining cells are dead cells. This is about xylem tissues. Do you know long trees like redwood trees? Redwood trees height nearly 330 feet. Water carries up to 330 feet of the height of the plant. Water reaches to the more height. Keep in your mind. Okay. And eucalyptus trees. Eucalyptus tree has a nearly 200 feet. 200 feet. the water carries up to 200 feet because of xylem tissues. Coming to second one, phloem tissues. Phloem tissues. It conducts food materials. Food materials are preparing the leaves. From the leaves to remaining parts of the plants. Food materials can move. See, it can move in both directions. Food materials are moving from leaves to roots and leaves to stems and branches, other parts of the plant. It can move both directions. So this is called bidirection. Again, phloem tissues contains 4 kinds of cells. What are those? See, seal tubes, companion cells, phloem parenchyma, phloem fibers. These are the 4 kinds of cells. See, seal tubes, these are tube-like structures which helps in transportation of food materials. Companion cells, supporting cells. Phloem parenchyma, this is also one of the tube-like structure which transport the food material. And phloem fibers, fibers-like structures are present. Phloem fibers only non-living cells. Remaining cells are living cells. For example, seal tubes, it's living. Companion cells, it's living. Phloem parenchyma, it's living. But phloem fibers are non-living cells. Keep in mind. This is about phloem. Okay, remember it. It's very most important. What is the importance of xylem tissues? It helps in transportation of water, minerals and salts. What about phloem? It conducts food materials. Keep in mind. Those two are very most important. Coming to remaining concepts.